Hi, folks. We're going to talk about home online earners in this review, and whether this product's going to make you some money or not, or if it's worthwhile investing money into a broker with these people. Now, first, I should say that binary options trading is not a scam. There's a lot of different ways of going about it. My suggestion really is to go to your bank and deal with your bank and get it hooked in with a broker through them. It's probably one of the most safest ways of going about it to begin with. Now, as far as home online earners, it's one of those binary option software. It's a robot that you invest some money into a brokerage account, and they assign you to their particular broker. You don't really have much of a choice in the matter by using their platform. And there is a lot of these out there, and you got to be really careful with them. 80% of the brokers out there aren't even licensed, and it's a risky go. Okay, so I got some information for you, and we'll go through that. If you're interested, I do have an alternative to binary option trading, and I'll get into that at the end of the video, near the end of the video here, just so that you have some other options. And the deal is you want to make some money. You don't want to spend a lot, and you want to make some money, and that's maybe that's why you're considering the binary option platform. So then again, I'll show you that option. You can check it out. It's not going to cost you anything really. It's it's like $7 for a 7-day trial. But anyway, I'll get into that a little more. Okay, now home online earners, like I say, they're a binary option trading robot, and it's you invest money into a brokerage account. Minimum is usually $250, and it will trade your money on on autopilot. And apparently, you can trade manually, but it's kind of tricky that way as well. You really got to know what the markets are like and really watch the markets. And it's risky business, especially when you're making trades on a 60-second, or a 1-minute scale. It's hard to predict, and you need to be experienced in that area. There is trading softwares out there that you can utilize to help you learn how to trade on the market. I would recommend doing that if you're going to follow up with the binary option trading platform. Now, as far as the home online earners goes here, I put their name into the scamadvisor.com site, and it comes up with they're based in the United States, but their real location is being hidden. So that's brought up a big flag, and I would be pretty skeptical about it. Their overall risk is 52%, which is like a 50-50 anyway, whether it's a good or a bad site. They really don't have a good idea on it. It's a relatively new site, which is shown to be a short life expectancy. And the pattern of this, it says on the Scam Advisor, is used by many fraudulent and fake selling websites. So, it's already showing us some pretty big flags right there. This site here, clicksure.com, you can go there. They do a lot of the launching of these binary option robot type softwares. The deal with them is what happens is these software places get on this site, and they'll pay an affiliate fee to promote that site. Now, I believe that the fees do come from the broker himself. The brokers are affiliating themselves with these softwares so they get exclusive rights to those clients. So it's about making money. So how are they making their money if they're giving software free? See, it's when you put that $250 into that brokerage account, it gets locked in there, and I'm pretty sure that that's where they get paid from. So another thing I should mention is that when you do invest money into these, they usually will offer you a bonus, and if you take that bonus, you're locking the money in there, and it's really hard to get it back because you have to trade up to a certain amount. They've got things written into their policy and their agreement that when you do deposit that money, and they're not really upfront about it, and so it's pretty sketchy there as well, right? So, who wants to put money in there and end up not getting it back? And, it's totally against the whole scheme, the whole deal. So anyway, we're gonna show you a couple other little things. Now, if you take a look at this, this is the first page that you come to when you're going to the home online earners. And if you notice this girl here, this blonde girl, she's a pretty lady. She's making some claims there, a testimonial for this product. She's saying she's making all kinds of money with it and all that kind of thing. But if you jump on over to fever.com, which is a site where you can hire actors to do testimonials for $5, and it just so happens I found that lady there, and she is an actor. So if you look at the couch and you look at the little pillow with the stripes, the pretty blonde hair and the blue eyes, I mean, hey, I'll go back to the other picture for you and you can compare the two, and you can certainly see it's the same couch, same pillow, same blonde, and same beautiful blue eyes. So, obviously, they're not being honest and upfront with you about what they're, promoting. And so, how can you trust a company like that that's doing those kind of things? It's pretty sketchy. Anyway, so I would also urge you to check the SEC, which is the Security Exchange Commission, and they have a lot of good information there that and that can help you out and give you a better idea on what's going on with the binary option trading and what kind of fraudulent activities are going on there. They have lots of different other documents you can check out. And this one in particular gives you some ideas, and it also explains some of the pitfalls and the things you really want to watch out for. Okay, so I had mentioned about another option that you may want to consider. I've been involved in a business. I'm an internet marketer myself, and it's a legit business. They don't have actors doing testimonials. They're actually real people. They're making real money, and it's a type of business that's based on a franchise, and there's no huge investment to get involved with it. You can pay $7 for 7 days, test it out, and just see what it's about. And it's a really good deal. And the people that are in it, like I said, that are claiming they make a certain amount of money, it's real, because I've found that for myself. I actually messaged them on Facebook, and I've received messages back, and I've seen their income disclaimers, and they're actually trainers in the marketing business. So there's webinars and stuff like that, and you see them live. And yeah, it's definitely, for sure, it's a real deal, and it's something that you don't go wrong. As long you work on it part-time, couple hours a day, whatever you want to put in it, you work when you want to work on it, and it builds you a residual income, and that means that you get paid every month for the money that starts coming in, and it just compounds and gets bigger over time. So, the sky's the limit with this type of business. And if you're interested in starting a home business, working from home, and break free from the chains of that daily routine of that 9 to 5 thing, this is a really good option. So what I'll do is I'll leave my email address below, and if you want to contact me and we can talk over Skype about it, I would be more than happy to do that. And I will leave a link for the business down there. All you got to do is put your email in there and check it out. Like I say, $7 for 7 days, and it's 100% return on your money. If you're not interested, they'll give you your $7 back. I mean, you spend more than that at Starbucks, right? So, it's a good deal. Check that out. I'll leave a link again, like at the bottom there. Contact me, and I'm more than happy to talk with you. But yeah, just check that link out and check it out for yourself, and I'm sure you'd be happy with that.